Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's get real for a minute. When you hear the word waxing, what comes to mind? Probably pain, maybe a little regret, and definitely not something you'd associate with your own routine. But what if I told you that most men think about waxing all wrong? This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about confidence, it's about hygiene, and it's about taking control. Every man deserves to feel that fresh, clean glow. Most guys think waxing is a one-way ticket to a world of hurt, but that's only until they try it the right way. Imagine this: no pain, no panic, just pure confidence and a smooth finish. Today, we're diving into 6 waxing tips that are going to change everything for you. These are the secrets to a painless, flawless wax. So, grab a seat and let's get started. First up, and this is non-negotiable, the prep. This is tip number 1, and it's where 90% of the battle is won. You can't just slap wax on and hope for the best. Your skin needs to be ready. Start by exfoliating your skin about 24 hours before you plan to wax. Use a gentle scrub to remove all the dead skin cells. This clears the way for the wax to grab the hair, not your skin, which is a major cause of pain. On waxing day, take a warm shower right before you start. The steam and warm water will help open up your pores, making it much easier for the hair to come out. But here's a crucial detail: avoid slathering on heavy lotions or oils beforehand. You want your skin to be clean and dry. In fact, using a gentle pre-wax cleanser is a great idea. Men's skin is often thicker and oilier, so a good cleanser will remove any residue that could prevent the wax from sticking properly. And one last prep point: trim your hair. It needs to be about 1/4 of an inch long, roughly the length of a grain of rice. If it's too long, it'll be more painful. Too short, and the wax won't have anything to grip. Prep is everything. Get this right, and you're already halfway to a painless experience. Alright, tip number 2. Create the right environment. This might sound a little extra, but trust me, your mindset and your surroundings have a massive impact on your pain perception. Your body tenses up when you're stressed, and tense skin leads to a painful pull. So, let's set the stage for success. First, your physical space. Make sure the room is a comfortable, cool temperature. If you're sweating, the wax won't adhere properly, and you'll just make a sticky mess. A cool room keeps both you and the wax stable. Next, your mental space. Don't go into this bracing for impact. Instead, focus on your breathing. Take slow, deep breaths. Put on some light music or a podcast, anything that helps you relax. Some guys even use calming scents like lavender or eucalyptus to create a spa-like vibe. It's not about being fancy. It's about signaling to your nervous system that everything is okay. Also, a pro tip: avoid caffeine or alcohol right before you wax. Stimulants can heighten your pain sensitivity, making everything feel more intense than it actually is. Instead, hydrate well with water throughout the day. Hydrated skin is more pliable and flexible. It flexes with the pull instead of tearing. Calmroom.com mind.com body. That's your recipe for a smooth session. Now for tip number 3. And this is a big one: master your wax. Not all wax is created equal, and how you handle it is critical. Using the wrong type of wax or the wrong temperature can turn a simple process into a disaster. First, let's talk temperature. The ideal consistency for your wax is like warm honey, thick enough to coat the hair, but fluid enough to spread easily. Never, and I mean never, heat your wax in a kitchen microwave. They heat unevenly and create dangerous hotspots that can seriously burn your skin. Invest in a professional wax warmer. It maintains a consistent, safe temperature. Before you apply anything, always test a small patch on the inside of your wrist to make sure it's warm, not scalding. Next, you need to choose the right type of wax for the job. Generally, there are 2 main types: hard wax and soft wax. Hard wax is your best friend for coarse, thick hair in sensitive areas like your chest, back, or the bikini line. It hardens on its own and you pull it off without a strip. It's designed to grab the hair, not the skin, making it much less painful for those tougher spots. Soft wax, on the other hand, is better for larger, less sensitive areas with finer hair, like your arms and legs. This is the type that you apply and then remove with a cloth or paper strip. Remember to use a fresh strip and a clean application stick for every single dip into the wax pot to keep things hygienic. Mastering your wax means controlling the heat and choosing the right tool for the area. We're at tip number 4. Perfect your technique. This is the moment of truth: the application and the pull. How you perform these 2 steps will determine your results and your comfort level. Let's break it down. First, the application. Dip a clean stick into the wax and apply a thin, even layer in the direction of your hair growth. Work in small, manageable sections, about 2 to 3 inches at a time. Trying to wax a huge area at once is a rookie mistake that leads to broken hairs and a lot of pain. And never overlap your wax layers. It just creates a thick, messy patch that's hard to remove. Now, the pull. This is where everyone gets nervous, but it's simple if you follow the rules. Take your free hand and stretch the skin taut right below the strip. This anchors the skin and minimizes discomfort. Then, take a deep breath in. As you exhale, pull the strip off in the opposite direction of hair growth. The key here is to pull low and parallel to the skin, not straight up towards the ceiling. Think of it like quickly ripping off a Band-Aid fast, clean, and close to the skin. Hesitation is your enemy. A quick, confident pull is far less painful than a slow, timid one. And as soon as you pull, place your hand on the freshly waxed area to apply pressure. This simple action immediately soothes the nerve endings and reduces that stinging sensation. Let's move on to tip number 5. Post-wax aftercare. The job isn't done once the hair is gone. The 24 to 48 hours after waxing are crucial for preventing irritation, redness, and those dreaded ingrown hairs. Think of this as the cool-down phase of your workout. Immediately after you finish a section, and once you're all done, use a post-wax oil to gently remove any sticky residue. Don't use water. It won't dissolve the wax, and will just make things worse. The oil will not only clean your skin, but also soothe it. Look for oils with calming ingredients like chamomile or aloe vera. For the next 24 hours, treat your skin like it's sensitive. That means no hot showers, no saunas, no gym sessions, and no sunbathing. Sweat and heat can clog your freshly opened pores and cause breakouts or infections. Also, avoid tight clothing. Let your skin breathe in loose, comfortable fabrics. And definitely don't apply any products with alcohol, like deodorants or perfumes, to the waxed areas. About 2 to 3 days later, you can start preventing ingrown hairs. Gently exfoliate the area again to keep dead skin cells from trapping new hair growth. You can also use a specialized ingrown hair serum. Keeping the skin clean, cool, and moisturized will ensure your results stay smooth and problem-free. Aftercare is what separates a good wax from a great one. Finally, we arrive at tip number 6, which might be the most powerful of all. Adopt the right mindset. We talked about creating a calm environment, but this goes deeper. This is about your internal attitude. Waxing is a skill, and it's also a ritual of self-care. Confidence is key. When you're calm and confident, your body is relaxed, which, as we know, reduces pain. Don't rush the process. Speak kindly to yourself. If a pull hurts a little, acknowledge it, breathe, and move on. Remind yourself why you're doing this in the first place for that feeling of hygiene, control, and glow. And please, don't compare your results to anyone else's. Everyone's skin and hair type is different. Your journey is your own. Practice will make your sessions smoother and faster over time. If you're really unsure or nervous, there is absolutely no shame in booking an appointment with a professional for your first time. You can watch their technique and learn from an expert. Embrace the process. This is your time to reset. Celebrate the effort you put in. Most men fear the wax because they never learned its rhythm. But now you know the secrets: prep, environment, wax mastery, technique, aftercare, and mindset. That is your formula for a no-pain, all-glow experience. So there you have it, 6 tips that will completely transform the way you think about waxing. It's not about pain. It's about a process that, when done right, leaves you feeling confident, clean, and in control. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more grooming advice that actually works. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or your own tips to share. Until next time, stay sharp.